Welcome to Condense. In this quick overview, we'll explore the available settings in your Condense app. To access settings, click on the Settings option located in the side navigation. Here's what you'll find. Personal details. Update your name, contact information, and username. Change password. Securely change your account password whenever needed. Code repositories connection. Manage integrations and connections to your favorite code repositories. Organization details. Review and update details about your organization, such as the organization's name and organization ID. Workspace details. Manage your workspace information and customize settings specific to your workspace. User and roles. View and manage users associated with your workspace. Assign roles and control access. Sign out. Safely log out of your Condense session. Delete account. If necessary, you can permanently delete your account from here. Check out our playlist to know more about individual items and settings and how to use it. Here's a bonus tip. You can also quickly access settings via the top navigation bar, present on the top right corner of the screen. This way, settings can be accessed from any page in the Condense application.